What's going on YouTube? Today I'll be doing a review on the Gravity Fed Smoker. Alright, so I've been using this Gravity Fed Smoker already. I've done about 15 cooks slash smokes on it, and a couple of things, some pros and some cons. Major pro on this one is that the gravity fed part works like magic. It is really good on that. It keeps temperature really well. The only problem that I have, one of the major cons, is that at least 3 to 4 times this grill has flared up on me, especially when I'm doing smokes. And I've attributed it to a couple of things. One, when you open up your lid, the fire starts to get build up on your hopper over here. So when you close it and the fan sucks the air in, it's going to suck it in with fire as well. And when that happens, it has a tendency to catch fire on you when you don't want it to catch fire. Now there is a way around it. You can close the dampers to hopefully so that doesn't happen. But the major thing here would be for you to make sure you keep this clean. This thing has down here, let me see if I can get this real quick. See that down there? I had to use a pressure washer to clean that. Make sure you keep that clean because the grease ends up accumulating. And when it does, that's when that fire happens. I also have a tray back here that needs to be cleaned as well, and so does that little trapper over there. All of these, you need to keep them clean in order for your grill not to catch fire on you. So that's about the only negative thing that I can say about this grill, because it is really good. This is the 560 model. I would have liked to have gotten the bigger one. It would have held a lot more. Overall, I'm very impressed on how well it does keep the temperature. I would definitely keep this for a grill, not necessarily a smoker, because I cannot trust leaving and this thing not catching fire on me. I mean, flaring up on me. So take it with a grain of salt. Keep it clean after every cook. Make sure to wash it. Make sure to knock off all that grease, and that should help prevent that flare up. But this has been a very quick review. Very solid piece of equipment. For the most part, I'm very happy with it. That's the only thing that I have it's caught fire on me a couple of times. So just be aware. I have other videos that show where it actually catches fire when I'm supposed to be smoking. So check out my other videos. But thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.